Namba ya andu aria makuite kuumana na murimu wa coronavirus ikoretwo ikiongerereka o muthenya. Umuthi andu angi ikumi magituranira ithabu-ini riri na gukinyithia andu 117 aria makuite kinyagia riu. Thegia ya mundu umwe uria kwirire mucii kenda makuite makirigitwo thibitari-ini ngurani. Murugamiriri munene wa maundu ma urigitani Dagitari Patrick Amoth akiuga makoretwo makirigitwo uria kwagiriire.
9 of these deaths occurred in health facilities, 6 at Kenyatta University Teaching Referral and Research Hospital, 2 occurred at the Coast General Hospital in Mombasa, and 1 in Nairobi Hospital. And of course I told you about 1 community death in Kiambu. That tells you that our health-seeking behavior is changing. Many people are going to the facilities. And this is not an indictment on the treatment of these particular cases. Remember, there's no cure for COVID.
Ona kuhanoro uguo akiuga gatagata-ini kao kuri mararigitagwo mirimu ingi iria iracungiriirie kwihirirwo ni murimu uyu.
Out of the 10 mortalities reported today, 7 of them had underlying medical conditions, with 4 having diabetes mellitus, 1 having hypertension, 1 had chronic myeloid leukemia or bone cancer, and 1 had HIV. And I think this is the second or third HIV COVID positive case that we are reporting.
Umuthi andu 213 niyo mekiritwo mukonde gukorwo na murimu uyu aria ni gatagati ka andu 628 aria mathimitwo ica ikuhi. Gicunji kinene kiao aria makoretwo metereire maumirira ma ithimi thutha wa thirikari gukorwo egumeirwo ni unyihu wa mashini cia guthima.
We now have the reagents and we've been able to clear up this backlog, some part of this backlog, which accounts for the large number of samples tested and gives us those number of positives. This now brings to 4,257 the number of positive cases in the country.
We had a backlog of just about 5,000 tests. So for today, maybe about 1,000, 1,500 could have come from the backlog. And I'm glad again to report that we have now since cleared the backlog of tests.
Mihango ya guthima muingi igitanyo gucokereria hatari mihinga. Riu kiuria kinene ni uria thirikari ikuhota gukinyira andu aria makoretwo metereire maumirira kwa ihinda na angikorwo mari na murimu uyu hihi magwatitie andu angi igana.
There is always danger that if you have a backlog like that and somebody tests positive, after you have kept the specimen for 3-4 days or 1 week, and the person is moving around, of course, there's always that risk that he or she would be able to transmit the infection to other people.
Kaunti ya Nairobi no ithiete na mbere kwandikithia namba nene ya arwaru ukiringithania na kaunti ingi. Umuthi arwaru 136 makiuma kaunti-ini ya Nairobi.
So in Nairobi it appears that the number of infections in Westlands, Kibra, Langata, Embakasi and Dagoretti have been rising steadily. This situation should be of concern to all of us and particularly to the residents of these areas.
Kuongerereka kwa namba ino matura-ini ma Nairobi gugitumura kiuria gia kana hihi muingi ni ukoretwo ugithingata mawatho maria magathikitwo ni ministry ya ugima wa mwiri niguo kuhitana na murimu uyu.
Something is not right and they must move with speed to rectify this before things spiral out of control. We have said repeatedly that there is so much that the government can do in protecting Kenyans, and we will continue to do all that government can do to protect Kenyans. But there is also a responsibility on the part of each and every one of us to protect ourselves and to protect others.
Andu 106 ni marekereirio gucoka mucii thutha wa kurigitwo na beno riu ikirugamira andu 1,459 handu-ini ha Kameme TV. Yetagwo Ngina wa Wandurwa.